Dianne Karg here with 1 Minute 1 Tip. In a previous video, I talked about how you need to pay attention to the gap that's between the loop and the tail of your shepherd's hook ear wires, because a big gap means that the earring is potentially unbalanced and prone to falling out of your ear. Now, there's one more detail that you want to pay attention to, and that is this little bend that's close to the end of the tail. Some designers don't like this little bend, so they will leave it out completely or make it very, very shallow, but it actually serves a very important mechanical function in the ear wire. It acts as a stop that helps to keep your earring in place. So when you're buying earrings or when you're making them, look for an ear wire that hugs the back of your ear and has a noticeable bend close to the end of the tail. Now I go into more detail about the mechanics of ear wires in the member studio at thetowerofwire.com, so click on the link in the description to find out more about that. And if you like this video, then please like, share, and comment in the section below, because I always appreciate hearing from you. Thanks for watching today. I'll see you next time.